The Miele Complete C3 Marin Bagged Canister Vacuum Cleaner is one of those models that promises high performance without compromise. In this review, we'll explore everything from its powerful suction to the thoughtful design features, showing you exactly what makes this vacuum stand out, as well as a few things you should consider before making a purchase. At first glance, the Miele Complete C3 Marin delivers a sleek, compact form that's easy to maneuver, yet hides some heavy-duty cleaning power inside. With its Electrobrush floor head, this vacuum is designed to tackle both carpets and hard floors. The included parquet twister floor head is perfect for smooth surfaces, ensuring that every area of your home gets the attention it deserves. It's clear that Miele has tailored this model for homeowners with diverse floor types, aiming to make every cleaning session a breeze. The real star of the show, though, is the suction power. You get a high level of flexibility with the suction controls, letting you adjust the strength to fit different cleaning tasks. Whether you're lifting dirt from deep pile carpets or gently cleaning your hardwood floors, you can rely on the vacuum to provide just the right amount of suction. The foot switches that control this feature are a great touch. No more bending over to adjust settings. You can easily manage it while staying in a standing position, which helps reduce strain during longer cleaning sessions. Let's talk filtration. Miele has included a HEPA lifetime filter with the Complete C3 Marin, which is a game changer for anyone dealing with allergies or asthma. The filter captures up to 99.99% of even the smallest particles, including fine dust and allergens. This level of filtration helps improve air quality in your home, making it an ideal choice for allergy sufferers. Plus, the HEPA filter is designed to last, so you don't need to worry about replacements for the lifetime of the vacuum. When it comes to convenience, the Complete C3 Marin has thought of everything. The vacuum features a comfort handle, making it comfortable to hold, and an automatic one-touch cord rewind system. When you're done cleaning, you won't have to struggle with manually coiling the cord. Just press a button, and it's neatly stored away. The integrated accessory compartment is also a nice touch, allowing you to keep everything you need within arm's reach during cleaning. Now let's dive into the real-world performance. In everyday use, the Miele Complete C3 Marin excels across the board. On carpets, the Electrobrush floor head digs deep to lift embedded dirt, pet hair, and crumbs with ease. On hard floors, the parquet twister provides a smooth glide, picking up dust and debris without scratching. We tested it on everything from fine dust to larger debris, and the results were consistently impressive. However, one area that might be a bit tricky for some is the weight. While it's not the heaviest canister vacuum out there, it might be slightly cumbersome for users who prefer something lighter for quick, everyday use. The attachments included with this model are versatile and genuinely useful. The dusting brush is perfect for delicate surfaces like lampshades or shelves. The upholstery nozzle works wonders on furniture, and the crevice nozzle gets into those hard-to-reach corners. The only downside here is that while the attachments are great, it's important to note that some users find the vacuum less maneuverable when fully extended, especially in tight spaces. Now onto the pros and cons. The strengths are pretty clear. Exceptional suction, powerful filtration, and a range of accessories that enhance its versatility. It's also impressively quiet for a vacuum of this power. The user-friendly design, with features like foot-operated suction control and one-touch cord rewind, make it easy to use without much physical effort. On the downside, the vacuum's relatively hefty weight could be an issue for users with limited strength or those who need a more agile vacuum for quick cleanups. Also, while the noise level is low for the most part, it's not the quietest vacuum available, so if you're looking for near-silent operation, this might not be the best choice. When we consider value for money, the Miele Complete C3 Marin sits at a higher price point compared to many bagged canister vacuums. However, when you factor in the powerful suction, high-quality filtration, and range of included accessories, it offers solid value, especially for homes with diverse floor types and allergy sufferers. It's durable, well-built, and has all the features you'd want in a premium vacuum. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, there are other models that might offer slightly less performance, But for those who want reliability and top-notch features, this vacuum definitely delivers. In comparison to other models in the same price range, such as the Dyson Big Ball Multi-Floor or the Shark Navigator Liftaway, the Miele stands out due to its superior filtration system and suction versatility. The Dyson, for example, offers strong suction but doesn't match the Miele's ability to filter out allergens to the same degree. The Shark, on the other hand, is often praised for its convenience, but it doesn't quite match the Miele when it comes to build quality or long-term reliability. Build quality is a strong suit for the Miele Complete C3 Marin. The materials feel sturdy and premium, with no flimsy parts or cheap plastics. It's clear that Miele has put a lot of thought into the design, with durable wands, an ergonomic handle, and a well-constructed dustbin. The maintenance is straightforward too. You'll need to replace the bags and clean the filter periodically, but it's a relatively low-effort process compared to other models. If you're considering customer support, Miele has a solid reputation in this area. While we haven't had to use their service directly, the brand is known for being responsive and helpful when issues arise. This vacuum comes with a 7-year warranty on the motor, which speaks volumes about the brand's confidence in its durability. For anyone who values smart features, the Miele Complete C3 Marin doesn't come with any connected tech, such as app integration or smart scheduling. It's a straightforward, reliable vacuum that focuses on providing a top-tier cleaning experience without any gimmicks or distractions. In conclusion, the Miele Complete C3 Marin Bagged Canister Vacuum Cleaner is an excellent choice for homeowners who want a powerful, efficient, and well-built vacuum. It performs exceptionally on both carpets and hard floors, features a top-tier filtration system, and offers a range of accessories that make it highly versatile. While it may not be the lightest vacuum around, its overall performance and durability make it a standout in its category. If you're someone who values deep cleaning, allergen control, and ease of use, this vacuum will definitely meet your needs. Thanks for tuning in. If you've got any questions or thoughts on the Miele Complete C3 Marin, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay up to date with all our latest reviews. Goodbye till next time, and remember, there's always something to clean.